Hey my dear friends! Welcome to Gloria's Goodies Recommendations. I am your good friend Yo-Yo. And today Yo-Yo is not just recommending a few products, but a shopping feast with a surprise. At the end, let's get started. The first product to be introduced is our company's proud intraoral scanner, which not only redefines the accuracy and efficiency of oral scanning, but also elevates patient comfort to a new levels. This intraoral scanner uses data of the R3D imaging technology to capture every microscopic structure within the mouth in unprecedented detail. At the same time, our scanners are designed to be extremely lightweight and easy to maneuver, greatly reducing scanning time and patient waiting and discomfort. Its user-friendly design makes the scanning process virtually silent, creating a peaceful and relaxing treatment environment for patients. The second product launched Flight is our dental 3D printer, a device that not only integrates state-of-the-art technological concepts, but also demonstrates unrivaled advantages and outstanding performance in practical applications. First of all, its precision is impeccable. Utilizing NG high-precision printing technology, this 3D printer is able to accurately restore the details of each tooth, whether it is at any tip or a complex occlusal surface, can be perfectly rendered. Secondly, its efficiency is remarkable. Compared with the traditional manual production method, this 3D printer greatly reduces the production time and improves the work efficiency. Dear friends, in order to express our appreciation for your long-term support and love, we have specially launched the Thanksgiving package. Now the original price of $3,500 intraoral scanner, $1500 3D printer, and $300 worth of 10 kilograms of resin liquids are now only $3,999. We aim to give back to our valued customers in the most sincere way. Act now and choose your exclusive Thanksgiving package. Let us take practical action to express our deepest gratitude and respect to you. Your every choice is our greatest encouragement and support.